Look at this video.
Suddenly, a figure emerged from the mist, its eyes gleaming with an otherworldly light. Panicked, Sarah tried to flee, but found herself surrounded by spectral forms. Their chilling whispers echoed in her ears, telling tales of sorrow and revenge.
Now look at this channel. They are creating the same kind of videos and have gained huge success. And most importantly, all of the videos are made with AI. In this video, I am going to share another AI tool that can create this kind of video in any niche along with a title, description, and tags. The one-stop solution for YouTube automation. To learn more, let's dive in. Introducing Autoshorts AI, the perfect solution for YouTube automation. I will put the link in the pinned comment. As you can see on my screen, it says faceless video on autopilot. Autopilot means that you don't have to do anything. It will automatically make videos for you and post videos, etc. You can make videos for Instagram Reels or something like this, and I can also make videos for YouTube Shorts. Okay, let's start creating the video. First, create an Autoshorts AI account with your Google or email account. This is the Autoshorts AI dashboard. First of all, we need to create a series. A series is basically selecting a niche for a platform or a channel. Let's explore it together. Click on Create Your Series from here. Now we have to choose a destination. It means your destination can be a YouTube channel or a TikTok account, or you can directly download the video from an email. For now, I am selecting email. You can connect your YouTube or TikTok account also. It's so simple, just give all the permissions. Alright, after selecting the destination, we have to move forward to step 2, the content setting. Here we have to choose the topic or niche of our video. There are so many options available here, such as random stories, scary stories, motivational, bedtime stories, interesting history, fun facts, long-form jokes, and live pro tips. You get a lot of things, philosophy, product marketing, and you can customize it, so you feel that this story is not good, so just go to custom and paste your script here, then your video will be ready with your script. This time I will go with a scary story. After the content setting, you will get the voice actors. Select a voice actor from this list. Before selecting the voice actor, I will suggest listening to the voice first.
The beach was a popular spot on a hot...
In the kitchen, the aroma of fresh...
Okay, after the voice setting, we have to choose the video language. Autoshorts AI allows you to create videos in more than 20 languages. I will go with English and US accents. Our next setting is duration preference. It's very important. If you are making a video for YouTube, then select 30 to 60 seconds. And if you are making a video for TikTok, then select 60 to 90 seconds long video. After all is set, hit the Create button. As you can see, Autoshorts AI started creating the video. It will take some time. Alongside the video, you may notice that Autoshorts generates the title, caption, or description. After that, here is the video script. That means you don't have to do anything. Everything is automatic. If you connect it with your YouTube or TikTok account, this AI will post the video on your behalf with this title and captions. Alright, our video is ready. And you can see that Autoshorts generates a thumbnail also. It's truly an automation tool. Now let's have a look at the video.
In the heart of a dense forest lay the forgotten village of Willow Creek. Locals spoke in hushed tones of its tragic demise, a curse whispered through generations. Curiosity led Mia, a young photographer, to these desolate grounds, seeking inspiration. As she wandered, an old well caught her eye, its stones weathered and dark. Without hesitation, she captured its image. But as Mia reviewed her photos later, a figure emerged from the well's depths, eyes gleaming with malice. Dismissing it as a trick of light, she continued her exploration. That night, chilling whispers echoed through her dreams, beckoning her back. Unable to resist, Mia returned to the well, its once dry bucket now laden with murky water. With trembling hands, she gazed into its depths, only to see the same sinister figure lurking within.
The video is really good. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Now if you want to change any part of the video, you can customize the script. For example, I am typing, "Welcome to the world of fear." After customizing the script, hit the update button from here, Autoshorts AI will regenerate the video. It will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is, our new video is ready.
Welcome to the world of fear. In the heart of a dense forest lay the forgotten village of Willow Creek. Locals spoke in hushed tones of its tragic demise.
That's impressive. Now a very important fact. Many of you can think that it will create a repeated story. The same story that I made and someone else made. But it's not like that. They have always verified and generated the video. They have already said in the notes that always verifying AI generated is for accuracy. Now if you want to download the video, click on the download button from here. Now let me be clear on one thing. This tool is not free. You have to buy a subscription to download the video. Autoshorts has 4 plans: free starter, daily, and hardcore. You have to select one from here. And yes, this video is not paid. But if you buy any plan from the link in the comment section, I will get a small amount of commission. Alright, friends, in conclusion, Autoshorts AI is one of the best tools for YouTube automation. Before buying any plan, I will suggest trying this tool. Link in the pinned comment. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about the Autoshorts AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.